Ever gazed at the ocean, wondering why it rises and falls twice daily? It's not random, it's a cosmic ballet. Today, we're unveiling the profound role our moon plays in orchestrating Earth's tides. Prepare for a tidal wave of knowledge. At its core, it's gravity. The moon's pull is strongest on the closest side of Earth, pulling ocean water outwards. This creates a bulge, our first high tide. A high tide also forms on the opposite side. The moon pulls solid Earth more than distant water, leaving that water to bulge. Elsewhere, water recedes, causing low tides. The sun also influences tides. When the sun, Earth, and moon align, their combined gravity creates spring tides, extreme highs and lows. During quarter moons, their right-angle forces partially cancel, causing neap tides, less extreme tides. Thus, the moon's gravity primarily conducts our planet's tidal symphony, with the sun adding its significant, secondary influence. Found this lunar link fascinating? Hit like, comment your thoughts, and subscribe for more stellar science insights.